Earth and Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Venus, and Neptune. They orbit our sun. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the rocky planets in our solar system. Jupiter, Saturn, Venus, and Neptune are our gas giants. Our sun is a star. The asteroid belt is just a asteroid belt. The Milky Way galaxy, and the center of it is a black hole. It's called Sagittarius star. Sagittarius star just sucks up the closest things to it. Pluto and Sirius are the closest to our sun. Well, Pluto is kind of far away, and Sirius really close. Not really closer than Mercury, but close in the asteroid belt. Mercury, Venus are the hottest in our solar system. Earth is your home. Mars is just having 2 moons. Earth has 1 moon every single week. His moon gets far away, but gravity is pulling on it, and that's why it has the oval shape and it's tidally locked. But when it's getting like this, we get a sneak peek of the sum of it back. But 90% is where it's like locked. Half of it is just facing away from Earth. Anyways, you can see our planets. Jupiter has a red spot. Saturn has a ring, and you don't want to miss it because he has Titan, a moon that looks like the Star Wars Death Star. And here comes Uranus. She faces sideways to our sun. That's why she has a ring. You know Neptune, but she has a ring with Jupiter, Saturn, Venus, and Neptune. And you know our dark planets: Pluto, Sirius, Maki. That's done.
Thank you.